You took a picture of me? Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna burp. Oh, it's so bad. Okay, we're gonna burp today. Okay, chug hello. 1, 2, 3. Chug it. A ver, vete. Wait. ¿Cuánto tienes? Ay, yo tengo más que tú. Yeah. Dale. Just drink it off, okay? 1, 2, 3.
You are going to be happy you did this.
Why?
You're going to get the satisfaction of knowing you helped a young woman to live her life for real.
See, a second attack that keeps you on the ground. Because you're more than qualified with the wapa. You can't live with it, no?